This is Electric Universe Eyes, and today I wanted to show you this amazing fulgurite that a friend of mine gave to me. Said is from Leesville, Texas, which is about an hour straight south from Austin, Texas, east of San Antonio. But he said this is out on one of his family farms on one of the top peaks. They've just been digging up some random pieces of fulgurite right there. He wanted to see some pictures of it after it's cleaned up, so that's what I'm gonna do. Let's take a look. See what it looks like washing all this stuff out. All right, so let's get this guy wet. Alright, I'm just going to put some Dawn Platinum down in there. Make it some bubbly. Using a little soft bristle toothbrush. Just want to see if anything comes off. Looks like it was a red sand. Iron base. This little notch is an interesting feature too. It's hollow. Hollow. A lot of dirty mud in there, for sure. This side I can't penetrate. It looks like there's something formed on the edge down here on this one. Spirals there at the end. Some inside of this one too. What's this? Big chunk of something came out of there. It's strange, whatever it is. That looked like some of those little pieces. It's just falling apart now. got some buildup right there. Let's get a better view of the thing. Alright, so still a little damp on that edge, but let's see how much it weighs. 162 grams. What's that? Some bubbles bubbling. Definitely see the vortex twisting motion there. Let's see, is that just bubbles in there? Yeah. Looks like it's hard, whatever that is, but perhaps the charge flow from this material was entering on this edge right here, which almost looks like a chevron. So we just have those very distinct interesting. What is this? Looks like a little spheral right there on the edge of that. It's strange. Can't zoom in any closer with this one. It's like a carbon on the inside almost. And then definitely the iron oxide. It's red. It's just a red sandy. It's interesting. It just looks like it's electroplated almost. Shiny thing inside. Still just water in there. So here's that little notch on the outside, and then lo and behold, that feature that we see on the inside starts right here and wraps around this way. And then you see it's hollow down there as the helix twists down inside. You can see the layers building up. Vitrification right here. So you can imagine when the energy is hitting, it's spiraling probably wet ground to begin with. And it instantly discharged and expanded this tube out, vitrifying it. You can see the ring on the inside. All right, folks. Well, that's what I've got for you today. Toodaloo.